Hello everyone and welcome back to the Lancaster Volkswagen YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be showing you around this absolutely stunning Volkswagen Beetle convertible. It's finished in reflex silver. Perfect now as spring has finally sprung on this sunny day. You can see this is the perfect car to have. As well now you get 2-year warranty as well as 2 years roadside assistance should you need it. Plenty of peace of mind with this car. Really nice summer fun summer car. It's only done 27,000 miles. That's just the cover. You've got your cover for your hood that you pop on here to make it all neat. I'll show you the inside. I'll tell you a few more benefits about this car. As you can see, it's absolutely lovely to have all that headspace and have that fresh air flowing through. You can see it's done 27,698 miles. Start the engine up so you can see everything's all right. This one is the 2-litre petrol TSI, so it's got plenty of performance. You can see on here your turbo gauge and your oil temperature as well. You've got your central touchscreen with DAB radio, as well as your parking sensor display. It's a bit harder to see, but when the hood's up you can see it better. It doesn't show up well on camera. You've also got the ferrous cloth seating, finished in black. Really sporty with your sport stripe down the middle and really comfortable as well. You've got lumbar support on them on the side of the seat, so you can adjust the lumbar support. You can have no lumbar support and then the maximum lumbar support. Multifunctional leather wrap steering wheel, really thin like the classic ones. You've also got cruise control on the stalk, so you can do like that to sort your cruise control out. Really useful feature. It's a really nice car to enjoy in the sun. Perfect for a nice long summer. If you're staying in the UK, staycation, this is the perfect summer vehicle to have. To get access to the back, you can open these seats or you can just climb on over. You've got plenty of space in the back here as well. For adults to sit down, as you can see, and headrests too. Your passengers have also got a cup holder and 12-volt socket should they need it. The seats are also really comfortable. The way that they're sort of carved in makes it really supportive and comfortable. So it is the reflex silver colour, which is more of the white sort of bright silver colour rather than the yellowy one. It's a really pure colour and you can see it's really nice in the sun, the metallic. Here you can hear the rear parking sensors. It's got front and rear parking sensors. Really good. And it's got the 18-inch twister alloy wheels on it as well. If you have any question about this car or any other of our cars for that matter, please do not hesitate to contact us and someone will be very happy to help you. We do offer flexible financial options as well as part exchange welcome. Thanks for watching this video and we hope to see you soon. Come down for a test drive.